Let's make some lunch for my kids. 2022 NFL Draft Edition. We are so excited to go see the NFL Draft hosted right here in Las Vegas. It starts April 28th through the 30th. Today I made a ham sandwich with lettuce and cheese. I cut the sandwich out in a football shape, of course, and I added the details with cheese. Next, I made some bacon wrapped smokies with brown sugar and caramelized onions, making a mini hot dog. I boiled some corn and then sauteed it in butter, and I'm just making cute little corn skewers with them. Now for some cheesy tots, I air fried these and just dunking them in some cheese. Used the NFL food picks and some chives on top. I'm also adding some carrots, snap peas, and cucumbers, and some Takis to finish it off. And now for the note I'm writing, I can't wait to watch the NFL draft, the one event of the year where everyone is a winner. Woohoo!